Start page provides training and reference information to help you learn and use Rslogix 5000 software. Within the Start page, you can access a variety of information, such as procedures to help you get started, get connected, and create your first project, recent and sample controller projects, what's new with this version of the software, tips to help improve your productivity with the software, and links to online books, websites, and downloads. When you first launch Rslogix 5000 software, the Start page window opens with the Quick Start Page tab in view. The next time you launch Rslogix 5000 software, the Start page window opens to a listing of recent controller projects. If you open Rslogix 5000 by clicking a project file, the project opens and the Start page is hidden. If you don't want the Start page to open when you launch Rslogix 5000 software, from the Rslogix 5000 Tools menu, choose Options. Then, clear the Show Start Page on Startup checkbox. When the Start page is hidden or closed, you can open it by clicking the View menu and choosing Start Page, pressing Alt-9, or clicking the Help menu and choosing Quick Start, Learning Center, or Resource Center. You can also hide and show the Start page window by clicking the Start Page tab in the Rslogix 5000 main window. By default, the Start page is docked in the Rslogix 5000 software window. When docked, the Start page can be resized and minimized with the main window of Rslogix 5000 software. To undock or float the Start page window, double-click the Start page title bar. You can also undock the Start page window by right-clicking the window icon and choosing Floating, or clicking the window position icon and choosing Floating. When floating, the Start page window can be minimized, resized, maximized, and closed. You can show the Rslogix 5000 software window by right-clicking the window icon and choosing Show Rslogix 5000, or clicking the window position icon and choosing Show Rslogix 5000. To dock the Start page window, double-click the title bar or choose Docked from the window icon or window position icon. The Start page includes 3 main pages: Quick Start, Learning Center, and Resource Center. Each Start page topic has tabs to help you navigate through the information. Clicking a tab will display a list of related information. Clicking a topic link item will display the associated information in the content pane. Let's begin with the Quick Start. The Quick Start page includes recent and sample controller projects and procedures to help you get started, get connected to a controller, and create your first project. In the Controller Projects tab, you can open a recent project, open an existing project, create a new project, open a Rockwell Automation sample project, open a third-party vendor sample project, and view information about vendor sample projects. The Get Started, Get Connected, and My First Project tabs include a list of animated procedures that will help you learn about and use Rslogix 5000 software. You can start a procedure by clicking it in the list. To store the logic, configuration, data, and documentation for your controller, you need to create a new Rslogix 5000 project. From the File menu, choose New. Once the procedure is running, you can pause and then restart the procedure, stop and return to the beginning of the procedure, move the procedure backward or forward 1 step, and turn the audio off or on. Each procedure also includes a list of terms. If you click a term, a definition for that term is shown and the procedure pauses. To close the definition and restart the procedure, click the X in the right-hand corner of the window. The Learning Center includes information on what's new with Rslogix 5000 software, how to perform specific tasks in Rslogix 5000 software, and tips to improve your efficiency with the software. The What's New tab includes links to animated tutorials that show you new functionality in this version of Rslogix 5000 software. The How Do I tab includes procedures grouped by categories that will help you perform software tasks. Click a category to see the available procedures. Click a title to start a procedure. In order to download a project to a controller, the project must not contain any errors. Verifying. The Did You Know tab includes categories of tips that can help you be more efficient with the software. Click a category to see tips related to that category. The Resource Center includes links to online books, downloads, and websites. Click an online books link to see the available books for that category. Click one of the books to open a PDF file of that document. The Downloads tab includes links to websites where you can download the latest software, firmware, EDS files, and module profiles. If you have an internet connection, you can click a link to go to the related website. The Websites tab includes links to a variety of websites that will help you use and learn Rslogix 5000 software. If you have an internet connection, you can click a link to go to the related website. Now that you know where to find valuable information about Rslogix 5000 software, be sure to use the Start page and become even more familiar with using the software.